Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant marigolds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe with notifications so you never miss another update, and also make sure to share. I will very much appreciate it. So let's get on with the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to plant some marigolds. Now type that here. As you can see, I have some crackerjack African marigolds. This is an African marigold. Here's the mix of all the flowers. So have that. So I'm going to be showing you how to plant your seeds and also giving you some information about them. So let's get on it. So all you're gonna need is some seeds, of course, whatever you're planting them in. In this case, I'm planting them in a tray, and all of my seedling trays are finished. I'm using them to plant other seeds, so I'm recycling these. Gosh, your watering can. Now you can use whatever you want. You can also use you can just use a bottle and poke some holes in the top and water, or some water can with a gentle shower. That way, and also need some soil. Now, the soil mix you can use is 70% some organic compost, and you can also mix in some perlite, or if you don't want to use perlite, you can also use fine sand. Now, you're gonna have to bear with me. I have some noise in the background, so you're gonna have to bear with that. So I'm talking up a little bit more. How to plant these? So marigolds, marigolds, they grows from their stem. They they grows from their stem, and where their stem touches the ground, they can put roots down, and that results in a stronger plant, and more blooms, and that's gonna result in a way stronger plant. So I'm gonna use these seedling trays, but if you didn't see my last video, go check it out. Link is down below. You can use a cup, same method I showed you in the last video. A cup, fill it up halfway, and then as seedling grows, you fill up the pot so you can still get extra roots while the seedling is young. But I'm going to be using these here, so now let's finally get on with the planting. So I have my stuff right here. I have my soil, the egg crate, seeds, and watering pan just beside, lowering my camera so you can see what I'm going to be doing. So let me just grab the camera. So, now let's take the seeds out. And see them there. Seeds, and what we're gonna do is, as you would do with any other seedling tray, that my soil has been labeled down with my running out of soil, so put them in this little container. So we're gonna my soils are really small because of course I'm using an egg grip. So just gonna fill around them one up, and Yes. Yeah. Now, you don't have to necessarily use your own mix with organic compost and perlite or sand. You can also just buy an indoor, just also buy a potting mix, seed starting mix, and it will work well too. You want to do, wanna make your own seed starter mix. So fill up one cell just to show you guys how you plant it. So now I have my cell. I'm gonna well already filling them up. So let's just fill them up. You'll see me fill them up. I'm just gonna cut this part. Alright, so I'm back. So as you can see, I have these cells all filled up right here. So you can just put either one or two seeds inside the hole. So I'm just gonna put one in each cell. I got a lot of Marigold seeds here. Seeds are the best thing. Gonna push them about half to eighth of an inch deep. Just press them lightly to make everything come in contact with each other right after. So I'm just quickly putting them in. Now don't bury them too deep and affect your plant, so don't bury them too deep, but either half or eighth of an inch would be ideal for marigolds. And these germinate really fast. Germinate within about They'll germinate within about 5 days. Uh, well, from my experience, 5 days, and also it might take a little longer, but they um very they don't take um long time to germinate. They just take about 5 days, so very fast germinating. So anyway, remember to put some drainage holes in the bottom of your container, whatever you're using, just to drain the water out so you don't get rot. Of course, that will be horrible for your plant. So you just water the plant. You can also just put whatever container you're using into a bigger container, fill that bigger container with water and put it inside of the container to soak up the water from the drainage hose. That will be the best way to do it, but either way, if you're not doing that way, then of course you can just put some water on your seedlings because now, when they germinate, you wanna try and keep the top of the soil dry, but before they germinate, you have to keep them moist. Otherwise, they're just gonna be done if you don't keep it moist when they're germinating, because then they'll, you know, the plant will just not go well. So now I'm gonna water them. So just a slight change in location here. Um, I and just change the ground. Want to get that surface wet where let's just water them. Yes, water will drain out. Very lightly, not too heavy. Very light with your little seed. Water should start going down. Yep. Oh, not sure if you can see it that well there. That's it. Not really that complicated to water in your plants. Now let's move back to yes, but this is kind of uncomfortable. Alright, so we're back in position. You can see them there and to the right. So now they'll be ready. I'll be updating you guys on them all the time on when they're ready to be transplanted, when they've germinated, and when they're blooming. So when they get about 6 to 8 inches tall, that's when you can transplant them into the final location. And you can also start to fertilize them. You can fertilize them with organic compost. Put it into their just put it into their soil and then mix it up. And that should work well for them. Good organic fertilizer for them to thrive. And you can do that every 2 weeks. And mix it up in the soil and immediately water after. So, I'll be doing a video on should be 5 days when these have actually germinated. So that's it. Quick simple video on how to plant a marigold for a big set of blooming flowers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe with notifications so you never miss another update from my channel. Also make sure to share, so I will very much appreciate that. So goodbye everybody.